Mantela kami ki kam sneo hakani kanong ba Shillong nalor ki ars patali ki CCTV ki baladep ban pendaj hakaleng jong kani kanong ba Shillong ke sorkar kan sa pendaj syu sa ars patali ki CCTV ha ki benta ba per jong kani kanong ba Shillong o menteri rang ba ke jalau konrat ke sama habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor mentagasi ke khatsan trik ukola lengkot ar hajar alpun reu ule to bakin sebu syu sa ars patali ki CCTV ha kani kanong ba bat ya kani ke jo an boru ha kesor Jowai bat Tura na kaliang jong mentirang ba ke jelau le banjur ba ke pang ke ba ukwa ban le mtau snem kalong ban wan raya ke jingkho jing subah habaro ke shnong kitau ha kani ke jelau Meghalaya long ba ke national game kan Shillong house nem arjar arpunyo mtau kwa ban yo i ba ke jingkho jing subah ke jela ha ka baki break in one sha ka jala kin yo i ya ka jingkho ha ki shnong ki thau kham tam ha ka ni kanong ba Shillong sor Jowai bat Tura bat baro kinong ba jong ka district
are being implemented. I think about 70-80 plus percent have already done. Myself, I had gone to Mauro the other day and I have installed the CCTV. I mean, I have inaugurated the CCTV in Mauro. And like that, in almost all the locations, it's done. And now we'll start the second phase where we'll take up another 200 of them. We've also decided to put up CCTVs and street lights everywhere in Jowai, Tura, and Shillong. So this is going to be a year-long process where multiple in phase-wise manner. And you should go and see it. It's wonderful. So now CCTVs are there in all concerned areas. Of course, we've not taken everything in one go because everything requires money and manpower and monitoring systems to be put in place. But it's happening at a very fast pace, and many of the localities have received it. And I can assure the others also that we'll be slowly and steadily will be covering the other localities, and definitely Tura and Shillong also are in the pipeline. I don't have the numbers with me right now, but there's a large number. I would think more than. I'm sorry, I don't want to give a wrong number to you, but they're large numbers. Last time I think, but every locality wants in 3-4 locations. So it's not that there'll be one CCTV in one locality. Right in life, last time they had a list of about 200 plus cameras that were finalized. So now another 200, 300 more will be given. I don't have those numbers with me right now. But I mean, whatever the procedure is being followed for that. But the way I look at it is that it's something that has to be done. I don't think we can simply look at the financial part in this. It is mandatory from the security aspect, safety aspect, drugs aspect, and so many other things that are there that require constant monitoring. So it's a great investment, and we are very happy that we are moving in a right manner. And this all is being done obviously with the consultation of the different darbars and in Shillong. And even recently I had a very big meeting in Mauro, and as I said, I inaugurated the CCTV there, and obviously we shared the details to all the